I'm Joe, and I want to show you the finishing part of this big dig in Oreland. And this is the Oreland Mill Road and Lorraine Avenue stormwater management project, and it's supposed to contain a lot of stormwater and hold it here until it goes into the creeks. Very cool. It's just about finished. So they're about 3/4 of the way finished here. It's just a once in a lifetime thing to see this done. Stones here, can't tell the size till they pick one up. Got to be about an inch, inch and a quarter. The smallest ones, 3/4 of an inch ballast stones. So they're going to return this to a parking lot again the next couple of weeks, but I just thought I'd lug this in. It's such an interesting project. Try to contain all that stormwater, and we're going to release it slowly into the storm sewer system, into the creeks. It's one of those strange things you never get to see until you get a camera like this. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.